Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a text in Premiere Pro. Firstly, open up your Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have a video footage onto my timeline. Now what you have to do is just simply press T on your keyboard or just go over here and click the T icon, which will bring up the text tool. Now go onto the screen and just simply click, and then you can write anything you want. Let's say clouds. So if you will notice, the moment you clicked on the screen, a pink colored new layer has appeared on your timeline. This layer is the text layer. You can stretch this out till the very duration of the video, like this. And now if you want to edit this video, what you can do is just simply click on the video, increase the size like this. Then if you want to change and edit the text inside, just simply double click on the text. Then over here, go to the text panel in the effects control side. Then simply click on the drop down over here, which will bring up all the settings regarding to the text. And now from over here, you can change the fonts, the size, the spacing. And if you want to change the color inside the text, you can change it from right over here by just going into the fill and choosing a color of your liking. Then you can also add a stroke by checking this box by adding a stroke color. Then increase the stroke, you can just simply increase the value over here. That will increase the amount of stroke. And next, if you want to add a background to your text, check the background box over here, choose a background color, then press OK. Then there will be a background behind your text. You can also play with the background's opacity, edges, and etc. If you want them curved, you can also do that. You can also add a shadow just by again clicking on the checkbox and adding a shadow. And you can also change the settings for the shadow as well. And down below in the transform setting, you can change its position, scale, rotation, and opacity. So that's how you can add a text in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.